Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can screenshot on iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, or 17 Air. Doesn't matter which 17 you have, this will work on all of them. So the first way is actually through the buttons here. You got the buttons here. The easiest way, just you got the side button and volume up button, just press them together and that's the screenshot. And then here, you got this here. What you can do is you can crop it or scale it the way you want it. Or you can select a text, like if you click on that, you got the text here. This kind of document, you can do it. Or you got these few pens here. You can add stuff here and edit. After it is done, every ping, there are a few other options here is when you can share it with people through here and also just save it. When you click on that, you will see the option save to photos, save to files, just save to photos, and that's it. That's how you can screenshot on iPhone 17. Easy as that. So, thank you for watching.